Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab, and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch for all Hawaiian Islands from 6 p.m. Thursday until 6 a.m. Saturday. Forecasters said two separate weather systems will combine to bring locally heavy rain and thunderstorms throughout the state starting Thursday evening. A flood watch means conditions are favorable for flash flooding, and everyone should be prepared to take action in areas prone to flooding. Today's forecast, meanwhile, calls for increasing clouds, scattered showers for windward and Mocha areas, and high temperatures in the 80s. Hawaii health officials reported one new coronavirus-related death and 64 additional infections today. The fatality was on Oahu and brings the state's COVID-19 death toll to 485. The state's total number of infections since the start of the pandemic is now 32,732. Today's new infection cases include 40 on Oahu, 8 on Maui, 6 on Kauai, 2 on the Big Island, and 8 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. There are 1,191 currently active infections in Hawaii, with the vast majority of them on Oahu. State health officials also reported 10 new hospitalizations today. As of Tuesday, there were a total of 56 virus patients in Hawaii hospitals, with 10 of them in intensive care units and 6 on ventilators. CVS announced today it now offers COVID-19 vaccinations on a walk-in basis at 70 Long's Drugs pharmacy locations in Hawaii. Same-day scheduling for vaccine appointments is also available at cvs.com. Long's offers the Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines depending on availability. CVS first began offering the COVID vaccine at 7 Long's Drugs in February, when only frontline essential workers and residents over 75 years old were eligible. The vaccine is now open to all Hawaii residents ages 16 and up. Honolulu police have arrested a 22-year-old man after he allegedly threatened a city bus driver who had asked the man to wear a face mask. Wearing a mask is required for all city bus passengers. On Tuesday afternoon in McCully, a 53-year-old bus driver asked the man to put on a mask. Police said the passenger became angry, verbally threatened the driver, and challenged him to a fight. Officers arrested the suspect on Kapi'olani Boulevard near the Hawaii Convention Center on suspicion of interference with the operator of a public transit vehicle. Finally, University of Hawaii senior Rado Parapunov was named the American Volleyball Coaches Association's National Player of the Year today. Parapunov is a 6'9" opposite who ranks third in the nation with a 4.41 kills per set. Parapunov was also named a first-team All-American on Monday and the Big West Player of the Year last week. He is only the third Rainbow Warrior volleyball player to win the National Player of the Year award. The Warriors were awarded the top seed in this week's NCAA tournament and face Big West rival UC Santa Barbara in the national semifinals on Thursday at Ohio State University. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at Star-Advertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, have a great day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.